Hi, Jacob.Boyd here with Guaranty RV Super Centers in Junction City. I want to talk to you today about the Jayco J-Flight 29 RKS. I'm going to walk you through some of the features that really set this thing apart from other rigs of a similar length. We're just going to start off from the exterior here. You have two big propane tanks, an electric tongue jack, you have diamond plating on the front. You have a little light out front, so it helps set up and for hitch up and take off of your tow vehicle. We'll just walk around over here. You're going to notice you have an enormous pass-through storage, which actually has access from in the interior right underneath the bed. And you also have electric stabilizer jacks. Push button front and back makes it super easy. Instead of having to crank anything, literally just push a button and it works out really well. You have frameless windows, an enormous awning on this guy too. And you have a huge window right here, and this window goes right into the main living space, and the main living space has tons and tons of light. I'll just walk you into that now. This is a really big space in here, and one of the things about this space that really sets it apart is that it's really dynamic. So in the rear, you have your huge kitchen with your peninsula countertop. Really nice countertops, a lot of space up here too. So you can actually be setting your coffee pot and whatever else you need to have just kind of static on top of the counter, and it's not going to interfere with anything you're going to be preparing in there. Big double basin sink. I have a spray head on the faucet, and tons of storage all around for kitchen storage. It's really nice. Whenever you have like that rear kitchen space and having the L-shaped dinette, you get a lot of this storage here that helps out. And in the rear, you have your big refrigerator here, stainless steel, and still more storage on top of that. I mean, you have a lot of light in here. So you have the windows here and right next door on this huge super slide out, which has your dinette and your booth. So the table isn't pegged in, so you can move this table in and out. You can also set it down to convert that space into another bed. You have windows all around. And what's nice about this is that when you have kind of your dining space in the rear plus your kitchen in the rear, and you also allows you to have a lounge area that isn't kind of stepping on each other. So nobody's actually looking across each other while they're preparing a meal to watch the television, and there's no kind of interference between these two spaces. You have two great lounge chairs here, and this right across, they're backing up right against that huge window. It's a really great window here. You have your media center, and that's right next to your convertible couch, which will turn into a bed. And all of these spaces are actually really nicely divided with solid doors from your sleeping space. Really, having something that you can hang your coats on right inside the door is super nice. And then when you come into the bathroom, it's a Jack and Jill bathroom. They have all your towel hangers all ready to go. Plus, they have tons of storage in here for whatever you need in the bathroom. A solid booth for the shower, so you don't have to fight against the curtain. And your medicine cabinet is actually really nice in here too. You have a sliding door that divides divides onto the bed. And then that bed, as I said, there's underbed storage that you can access, huge underbed storage, so whatever you put into there, you can actually get to from inside. And you're still having a lot of your hanging wardrobe space, plus over-the-top storage, and shelves on either side with plug-ins. So if you have any CPAP machines or any cell phones you want to keep charged overnight, you have the opportunity to do so. If you have any other questions about this rig or anything else we have on lot, I'm sure we can find you something great. Just give me a call, 773-655-7190, or stop by the lot in Junction City. Hope to see you soon.